Okay, how you doing? Today we're going to be checking out the linking language you need to know to do a great IELTS Task 1 essay. Hey guys, Anthony Schultz here from Gold Coast IELTS, where I help you destroy the IELTS writing exam. Linking words are important not only in the task 2 but also in the task 1. So today I'm going to show you the exact phrases you need to use in the intro, the details and comparison paragraph, and the summary paragraph of an IELTS task 1. Guys, if you do get value from these videos, hit the likes and the subscribe button, and don't forget to smash the notification bell so you do not miss any of my latest IELTS writing tips videos. As always, there's going to be a cool bonus at the end of the video, so strap in and let's get started. Okay, let's check it out. IELTS Task 1 using key linking language for IELTS Task 1. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you two kinds of linking phrases for the IELTS Task 1. Basic stuff on this page that is going to get you to about a 6 or a 6.5 level. Then I'm also going to introduce you to some more advanced phrases that will hopefully boost you up even higher to above 7. So here are the key linking phrases. Basic. You can see we have purple color for the first introduction passage. We have blue color for the middle body paragraph or details and comparison paragraph. And we have red for the summary or giving final comments paragraph. Okay guys, so let's take a look. To introduce the chart, in the very first sentence you can say the line, bar, pie, or whatever chart shows. To describe the whole table, in the second sentence you can say in general, overall, or looking at the entire chart. Now for the second paragraph we need to give details, for example, to be specific or looking in more detail. We need to describe different ideas by saying in contrast, conversely, however, or on the contrary. We need to sometimes describe similar ideas, so we can say similarly, likewise, in the same way, or equally importantly. And we need to describe additional ideas. We could say also, furthermore, moreover, additionally, and in addition. So those blue ones are all for the second paragraph. Finally, in the summary, we can say in summary or to summarize. Don't use in conclusion or to conclude because that is for the task 2. Okay, let's move on and take a look at some advanced linking phrases now. Okay, so here are some advanced linking phrases. We can use cognitive stance phrases, which means your ideas about the information or the data. And we can use concession phrases, which add something extra, maybe in opposition to something, okay? Or explaining something in a little more detail. So for cognitive stance, you could say certainly, indeed, in fact, in actual fact, and as it happens. For concession, you could say incidentally or apropos of. I don't recommend using too many of these phrases. Okay guys, probably one or maybe two of these in one task 1 essay will be perfect. Okay, you should focus more on the ones in the basic table up above. Try to use as much of these phrases as possible and only one or maybe two of these phrases. Okay, so let's see how these phrases look in a real IELTS task 1. So here's our task 1 table. We're going to use, not a table, sorry, it's a line chart. We've looked at this one before. Maybe have a little look at it first by yourself, pause the video, and then we're going to move on to the introduction. So for the introduction, you can see it's just 2 sentences. It's very simple. We have used one linking phrase here at the beginning and another linking phrase here at the beginning of the second sentence. And I've said the line chart shows how much of 4 different sweeteners was available in the US between 1966 and 2011. Overall, it can be seen that from around 1983, refined cane and beet sugars and corn sweeteners were the most popular sweeteners available. So there's that introduction sentence number 1, and there's that key trend sentence number 2. Okay, so next is the details and comparison paragraph. You can see there's a lot of the blue linking language inside this paragraph. Okay, I have done 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, of them. So it's gonna be great. Let's take a look. Looking in greater detail, it can be seen that in 1966, 3 sweeteners were consumed at rates of less than 20 pounds per year, whereas only 1 was at a much higher rate of 100 pounds per year. In contrast, by around 1983, corn sweeteners had risen and cane and beet sugars had fallen to about the same level, 60 pounds per year. Conversely, honey and edible syrups both remained at their original levels throughout the entire period. Indeed, by the end of the period shown, the graph shows a 2-on-2 rather than a 3-on-3, 3-on-1, trend. So we have used a lot of that language. There's the phrase at the beginning, which sort of gets us into the chart. And then there's 1, 2, 3 pieces of comparison language. At the end down there, there's one of those cognitive stance phrases at the very end there, which just boosts it up to around about a 7 level, hopefully. So finally is the summary. We want to do 1 or maybe 2 sentences. So the first one is just looking at the chart from that big bird's eye view again. And the second one, hopefully boosting it up to a level 7, is going to be a concession sentence, starting with one of these concession linking phrases. Let's take a look. To summarize, the line chart shows some interesting trends in the food industry. Incidentally, although individual consumption levels changed dramatically, total sweeteners consumed remained relatively stable. So awesome job. So that's how you use linking phrases in an IELTS Task 1. We really used a lot of different phrases today, details phrases, comparison phrases, cognitive stance phrases, concession phrases. So that's what you need to do. You need to use a wide variety of different phrases for linking in your IELTS Task 1 if you want to get a high score. So if you like this video, guys, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my latest videos. Also, my IELTS 2.0 Plus course is coming at the end of the year, so I'm really looking forward to introducing that to everybody. See you in the next video.